So I'm sanding a bit of figured blackwood for our countertop here in BA headquarters. Wait till I put the oil on it, it'll really pop. But blackwood has got a very high silica content, which means it's really hard and bluntens the tools really quickly. And it also bluntens the abrasives. So that's why I'm using a 60 grit. And then to really knock out these saw marks, and then I'll go to the 80 to get rid of the saw marks from the 60, and then I'll be able to jump really quickly from the 120 to the 220. Now that it's sanded to 220, I'm going to pour some of the hard wax oil on, and then literally just going to let it soak in for a little bit and then wipe it off.